Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 15th February 2026. Title of Murli. In order to claim the gift of going fast and coming in the first division on your birth, your breath and thoughts should be powerful. Let your heart be big and true, and every need of yours will then be fulfilled. Bap Dada said, "The Supreme Zero has come to meet his hero children. Today, you have gathered to celebrate both the Father's birthday and your own. While Bap Dada bestows the fruits of devotion upon the devotees, there is a distinct difference between their celebration and yours. They celebrate the night, Shivratri, whereas you celebrate Amritvela, the most auspicious hour. It is during Amritvela that Bap Dada fills the apron of every child with divine blessings. Furthermore, Baba remarked that Maya also has a deep affection for God's children, maintaining a connection with them from the beginning until now. While Maya's role is to intervene, your duty as children is to chase Maya away from a distance. If you spend too much time battling Maya, how will you fulfill your promise of being world transformers?" In conclusion, Baba stated that although the confluence age, Sangamyug, is the shortest birth, it is the most invaluable. The value of this birth sustains you throughout the entire cycle. Therefore, check your account of accumulation. Is it increasing as much as you desire? Bap Dada constantly reminds you of three keys: suddenly, ever ready, and a long-term account of accumulation. Bap Dada wishes for his children to claim their full inheritance of the kingdom for all 21 births, starting from the very first. The highest throne is Bap Dada's heart throne. Those seated on the heart throne will surely be companions in the first birth. Even if only one sits on the physical throne, you can all be part of the royal family and self-sovereigns. Blessing for today. May you be constantly up above by having the attitude of being a guest, and thereby make your household and your stage elevated. Details are: those who move along whilst considering themselves to be guests become detached from the houses of their bodies. A guest does not have anything of his own. He uses everything but not with the feeling of ownership. While using all the facilities, to the extent that he is detached from them, he will be just as loving to the Father. He is easily beyond the body, the relations of the body, and all possessions. To the extent that a householder has an attitude of being a guest, he accordingly becomes elevated and his stage remains high. Slogan is: make your nature pure and clean, and success will be merged in every step of yours. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. With the speciality of unity and faith, become full of success. You now have to show the world the reality of all of us being one, united. We belong to the One, and we have a constant and stable stage. We stay in love with the One and reveal the name of the One. Now, hoist the flag of this lovely and unique golden stage. Whether you are junior or senior, ill or healthy, a Maharthi or horse rider, all of you have to be united and cooperative. You will then easily become an embodiment of success.